Hello out there! Thank you for joining my virtual presentation about AIDE, which is a collaborative, large-scale image annotation tool with machine learning and humans in the loop. I am Benjamin Kellenberger, postdoc at Wageningen University in the Netherlands, and this is joint work with Davis Toya from EPFL in Switzerland and Microsoft AI4EO. Today we will be talking about image labels. Let's say you have an image that you would like to label, like the lion in this case. So this should be simple. You just draw a box, state that this is a lion, and you are done. But what do you do if you have, let's say, 100,000 or more images? You would not want to go manually through all of them. It would become very tedious. So one solution could be to use a machine, such as a machine learning algorithm, where you feed an image through, for example, a deep learning model, and you get the prediction that you want. Fair enough, this is a fast way to obtain labels. However, it often fails in real-world situations, because machines are often trained on ideal, easy images, such as the one on the left, whereas real-world images may be extremely difficult, like the one on the right, also showing an elephant. In this case, the model will fail and will give you bad predictions. So how can we effectively use a model for our own real-world data and help us in the labeling process? Well, this is what we attempted to solve here, and we call it AIDE, which stands for Annotation Interface for Data-Driven Ecology. In a first instance, AIDE is a web-based multi-user annotation tool that scales to billions of images. And AIDE supports all common formats, like image labels, point annotations, bounding boxes, and pixel-wise segmentation masks. But the distinctive feature of AIDE is its integration of machine learning models. And rather than piggybacking a fixed deep learning model on top, AIDE integrates it with humans in a so-called active learning loop, where models generate predictions and the user can provide corrections. And this way, both the machine learning model and users reinforce each other for optimal labeling progress. AIDE implements machine learning models completely transparently. As soon as a user views an image, AIDE shows the latest model predictions, and in the example on the screen, the model identified one of the two animals, and the user only has to provide minor corrections, which are then automatically used to improve the model on the dataset at hand. All of this happens completely in the background. Moreover, AIDE further allows flexible, customized model training directly through the web browser if needed. In this example, we set up a computation graph consisting of a training cycle in orange and an inference cycle in green. And then we would like to repeat this graph for a total of 4 times to make sure that our model trains well. Upon clicking on Run, AIDE then automatically unravels the graph and starts executing it in the background, and progress can always be monitored directly through the web browser. AIDE therefore provides an intuitive integration of machine learning models in the labeling process. AIDE comes with popular deep learning-based models built in, including ResNet for classification, RetinaNet for detection, and UNet for pixel-wise semantic segmentation. All models are readily available and do not require a single line of code. Furthermore, AIDE is completely extensible and supports third-party prediction models for those who want a bit more. AIDE allows using any code library and just requires a few functions to be implemented, but then offers all functionality for any model straight through the web browser. Finally, AIDE is based on open source technology, and the project itself is completely free and open source as well. I did not have time to show everything to you here, but I invite you to check out the GitHub page with the link shown on screen if you would like to know more about it. We welcome all kinds of feedback and contributions. And with this, I would like to thank you very much for listening, and I am greatly looking forward to receiving your impressions and suggestions about AIDE, the annotation interface with machine learning and humans in the loop. Thank you.